now what we are doing, so whenever you clear or add to cart, we should show some notifications, right? So for that I'm using a plugin called plugin name is so naughty.css and naughty.min.js. So let's go to script, and we're going to be creating a one more function called notify function name notify, and we used to pass here type means the warning, the success message and all the text. So once that, so function, and now define a values a new naughty. Okay, so first attribute is the type and means success or a warning kind of, and we should display where should need to display, right? So layout top right, it's correct, and text, we should display some text also, right? We are only passing the text, and after that we should show the message. That's it. This notify I'm calling in couple of places. So for example, update quantity. So once you update it, so success quantity updated, and I need in couple of places also, like for example while clearing a cart also we need. So I'm just copying this one. So clearing a cart was happening over here, right? Yes, I'm putting over here, but I'm giving a warning there, warning. So deleted items in the cart, I'm just passing prevent default e dot prevent default, and also while adding a cart also we should pass this message. So while adding a cart in the sense, here we have to add, but this is a warning and this is a success again, and item added to cart. So now go over there and refresh it. Yes, quantity is updated, and if you clear it out, deleted items in the cart. So now if you see add to cart, item added to cart, item added to cart,